Hello, everybody. Welcome to Learn Languages YouTube channel. Boost your English vocabulary with 10 essential words every day. Day 5. Let's get started. Number 1. Arrogant. It means having an exaggerated sense of self-importance. Here are 2 examples. 1. The arrogant player refused to listen to advice. 2. Nobody liked his arrogant attitude. Number 2. Brisk. It means quick and energetic. Here are 2 examples. 1. She took a brisk walk every morning. 2. He gave a brisk reply and left the room. Number 3. Chaotic. It means very disorganized or confused. Here are 2 examples. 1. The classroom was chaotic after the game. 2. His desk is always chaotic and messy. Number 4. Delightful. It means very pleasant or enjoyable. Here are 2 examples. 1. The meal was absolutely delightful. 2. We had a delightful trip to the beach. Number 5. Furious. It means extremely angry. Here are 2 examples. 1. She was furious when she lost her wallet. 2. The furious customer demanded a refund. Number 6. Gloomy. It means dark, sad, or depressing. Here are 2 examples. 1. The weather was gloomy all day. 2. He felt gloomy after hearing the bad news. Number 7. Jolly. It means happy and cheerful. Here are 2 examples. 1. The children were jolly during the party. 2. He is a jolly man who loves to laugh. Number 8. Keen. It means very eager or enthusiastic. Here are 2 examples. 1. She is keen to learn new languages. 2. He has a keen interest in technology. Number 9. Lonely. It means feeling sad because of being alone. Here are 2 examples. 1. The old man felt lonely after his family moved away. 2. She was lonely in the big, empty house. Number 10. Modest. It means not bragging about your abilities or achievements. Here are 2 examples. 1. She is modest about her success. 2. Despite his wealth, he lives a modest life. Now, let's do a quick recap. Arrogant, brisk, chaotic, delightful, furious, gloomy, jolly, keen, lonely, and modest. Okay. Which word was your favorite? Comment below and try to use it in a sentence today. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.